guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super duper fine, and I know it's been 10 to 13 days that I haven't filmed any video for you guys because I was really busy and my schedule was just going up and down. It was so hectic after the puja vacation. So today I'm going to talk about the mini facial kit that I have with me. If you guys have already followed my previous videos, you already know that I have been to Digha for 2 days and the chlorine water of swimming pool has just done so much of nourishment to my skin. I'm extra tanned up, so I just need that radiance and I just need that instant glow. And after all, it's Diwali and I just need to remove that extra tan that I have got on my face. So today I'll be using the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Anti-Tan Whitening and Glow Facial Kit. I'm just going to perform the simple and the natural facial strokes that we usually do when we massage our skin. So yes, let's start with this video. I think they have 4 sachets inside and they have given the details of the sachets. If you really don't know the steps, they have mentioned 4 different steps. You can follow them accordingly. This facial kit contains 5 sachets. Well, they have only 4 steps that you need to perform, and the last step is just a sunscreen gel. So you know what you have to do with a sunscreen gel. Step number 1 is apply facial foam all over the face and neck with circular movements. Wipe off with damp cotton or wash off with water. So the first step is cleansing your skin. So yes, this one is the first step. This is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Anti-Tan Whitening and Glow Whitening Facial Foam. So the first step of cleansing is already done. The next step is anti-tan scrub, anti-tan whitening and glow anti-tan scrub. And yes, this creamy cleansing scrub removes dead cells. So I think I just don't need to explain about scrub. We all know about scrub. It helps to remove our dead cells. So yes, we need to gently apply anti-tan scrub on moistened skin in circular movements on the face and neck. Rinse thoroughly or clean with moist cotton. So yes, let's start with this process. We have a very sensitive skin under our eyes, so try to avoid scrubbing under your eyes. Cleansing scrubbing is done. Now the third number step. I think this third number step is massage cream. So you need to massage your face with this particular Lotus cream. They have this luxurious massage cream enriched with grape extracts and milk enzyme that penetrates deep. It whitens the skin while refreshing, energizing and moisturizing. It stimulates blood circulation and imparts long-lasting whitening glow. Apply whitening massage cream and gently massage all over face, neck in circular motions. Reapply frequently. Continue massage for around 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Remove cream if any with damp cotton. So we need to massage this particular massage cream for 10 to 15 minutes for better results. This particular massage cream has a very thin consistency and I think this is the perfect amount for my whole face. Guys, I'm really not a pro in the massage section, so please don't judge me. All I know is that we need to lift up our facial muscle like this. That's all I know about massage. Whenever I go to any salon for massage or facial, they give this type of light-handed strokes. And you can already see, guys, how much dry skin I have. Like all the massage cream has just penetrated into my skin so quickly. So usually they perform this kind of facial strokes to uplift your facial muscle. That's what I am trying to do. I don't know whether it's correct or not. Those of you are really a pro in this massage section. Please do let me know in the comment section below whether my facial or massage strokes are going right or wrong. All I know is that we just need to massage our under eyes with the help of our ring finger, because I think ring finger gives the most lightest pressure. So as this is a very sensitive area, so we need to massage it with our ring finger. Well, I think I have done enough massage to my skin. Now I think I just need to remove this massage cream with the help of this wet tissue. First, second and third step is done. Now moving forward to the fourth step, and we have the whitening mask here. So basically this is a facial mask. Apply a generous amount of the mask on the face and neck. After mask dries, rinse thoroughly or remove with moist cotton, pat it dry. Follow with Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel. After applying this mask, we need to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, let it dry on our skin, and then after removing the mask, we need to apply the UV sunscreen matte gel. This is SPF 50 UVB for all skin type. And yes, let's start with the face mask. I was just finding my brush but couldn't find my brush anywhere, so have to apply this face mask with the help of my finger. So I have done with my fourth number step, and we shouldn't talk after applying a mask. So done with fourth number step. I think my mask is already dried up, and I think I need to remove this mask from my face right now. Now the last and the most important step is to apply a sunscreen gel. So I'm going to apply the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel, and it's SPF 50. So guys, I'm done with the facial, and I think I'm really happy with this mini facial kit from Lotus Safe Sun, and it has done amazing job to glow up my skin, to give that instant radiance to my skin, and my skin looks much more fresher and much more tan free. So I am pretty happy with the result of this mini facial kit. Now let me quickly tell you the price of this mini facial kit, and this is priced at rupees 218. If you really don't have that extra time in your hand, you can just quickly sit and pamper your skin with the help of this mini facial kit. It's just going to give you that extra radiance and extra glow to your skin, plus tan free skin. Not fully, but I think 80% of the tan from my face has just gone like this because of using this particular facial kit. So I think this is just a life savior. So I am definitely recommending you guys this particular product. You can definitely use this up and just get a glowing skin. I hope this video turns out to be one of the most helpful video for you guys, and if you really enjoyed this interesting video, please do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my latest upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.